The world should be scared of the consistency at which I'm posting. So here we go. Hi guys, you are outfit. It 2, 3 these. Hi guys, I'm a 5th year law student. Honestly, I'm about to pass out because I'm in my 10th semester already. And from my first year itself, I have interned at quite a few places. And there are some things, some habits, some skills that I've learned throughout that has helped me perform better and become a better version of myself as an intern. And if you're a 1st, 2nd year or 3rd year law student struggling and juggling at internships, I hope this video helps. Also guys, before starting, I would just want to give you a disclaimer that this video is not guaranteeing you any job at the end of your maybe once the college ends, because even I have not landed any yet. But certainly if you are consistent with these habits, you will see certain improvements in you and you will be able to perform better. And these habits are as basic as cleaning and washing your hands before and after eating, but yet they are so underrated that people often forget that they have a direct impact on your performance and on your body. So here I am to remind you of that. So starting with the first one, that's very basic, that is to eat healthy. I know that for internships, we all struggle through different cities.
You have to find yourself a good place to reside in, like a PG or a hostel, or you often live with your relatives where it gets really difficult to have good eating habits.
But whatever it takes, even if you have to cook for yourself or ask your mother to stay in with you, eat healthy, because I'm telling you that has a great impact on your body. If your body feels healthy, your performance eventually improves. So it's directly proportional to your performance on your internships or even at your job where you're doing. Here are some alternatives also that you can take up to eat healthy, like buying yourself some fruits, drink milk, eat eggs, whatever it is that suits you, whatever it is that is good for your body, do that. Second one has to be to have proper 8 hours of sleep, and sleeping from 11 PM to 7 AM is very different and healthier than from 2 AM to 10 AM. Try it and you will see the difference. A good amount of sleep can move mountains for you. I have done it and I have seen the changes. You have to do it and you will see the changes by yourself. You are having your proper hours of sleep, you do not feel drowsy on your internships, you are more attentive towards the work that you are given. I know it's basic, but karna shuru karo, then you will see the results. It's basic, then why are you not doing this? Ask yourself that question and treat this video as a reminder to do all of those. So here is your third one, again as basic as anything, and I started doing this an year back, and trust me, I have seen drastic changes in the performance that in the outputs that I can give on my internships, which is to take frequent breaks. Now what I mean by that is not कि आप 20 मिनट काम करो और 50 मिनट का break लो, definitely not that. But if you are diligently working for, let's say, 20, 40, 50 minutes and you feel that your brain is shutting now, get up.
Go for a walk. Walking alone, not scrolling through your reels, not doing anything that can take a toll on your brain, but just walking with the nature. If you have a park outside your office, or if you have a rooftop in your office, just go and take the walk. You will feel instantly rejuvenated. You'll have more energy to work.
And the output that then you will be giving will be very different and will be more efficient. That I have personally done. You should too. Try it
for yourself and let me know if it worked for you, because I know that it will.
I am fantastic.
These were the 3 habits that I have incorporated to perform better at internships. The next 2, I'm not sure if we can call them habits, because they are not. They are things that I have learned throughout the internships, which has also changed my productivity level and my efficiency level. The 4th one has to be asking questions to your seniors. I know that a lot of people must have told you it's very important to ask your doubts to your seniors, but as hesitant kids that we grew up as, we often do not do it. But again, it's very important कि आप अपने seniors जाके पूछो कि आपको जो काम मिला है वो exactly क्या काम है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हमें केस लॉज ढूंढने मिलता है तो दे ऑफन टेल अस द लॉ ऑन विच दे वांट अस टू फाइंड जजमेंट्स ऑन. जब हम वो केसेस लेके जाते हैं उनके पास, तब वो हमें फैक्ट्स बताते हैं, एंड अगेन वी हैव टू डू द सेम मेहनत, राइट? सो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट आप पहले ही पूछ लो कि फैक्ट्स क्या है, फॉर यू टू नेविगेट बेटर, फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड बेटर दैट व्हाट आर देयर एक्सपेक्टेशंस, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आर दे लुकिंग फॉर, एंड दैट्स गोना हेल्प यू a million times every day. The last one, again, It's very basic and very important. That is to check in frequently. For example, if you are working at a bigger setup, bigger firms, or even small firms, small chambers, wherein there are a lot of interns, you get forgotten. People do not really pay a lot of heed to you, but what makes you stand up out of the crowd is showing up. So go to your seniors, ask them
how you can help them, where you can assist them with. It really matters, because then it puts you in a place where they know that you are willing to work for them, that you are showing up for taking up work. You are not just sitting there and wasting your time. You are not there only for the certificate, but actually to learn and actually to work for them.
I think that was it from my side for this video. Those were the 5 very basic things that I have learned, I have done throughout the internships to improve myself. I hope this video helps you. If it does, please do not forget to leave a comment in the comments down below, and I think I'll see you in the next one. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye.